If you're looking to improve your customer service on your website, but you don't know exactly how to code a chatbot that would answer the questions that your potential customers have on your website, check out this following tool that I discovered, then how you can set it up without any coding knowledge. This video is not sponsored by any means. I just like to make reviews about software that helps everyday businesses with AI today. I looked at this recently and I thought it was kind of useful. It can create an AMA for you. So imagine you are a company and you have all your information on your website and in all kinds of PDFs and materials, but people are still contacting you. They're maybe not interested in reading through their FAQ that you already have. It's still experimental. Definitely not perfect, and honestly, no story, your pricing is a little bit ridiculous if you ask me. Like 1,000 questions per month for, I don't know, the limit there is, I don't know. So what you can do is essentially you take all that material, website domain names, PDFs, other text documents, and you feed it into the system and it cooks it all together, and then it spits out a little AMA chat window. So I took the example of Archimoto, which is basically a electric vehicle, you know, 3-wheel type of thing. I think it's a pretty cool example. But the most important thing is they have a lot of data on their website because they're a publicly traded company. So what we will do is we will start out with the basics here. As you go, you create an account on No Story, and then you click on Create Story, you name it, little description here, and then the next thing you can do is you can drag and drop some PDFs. And for the PDFs, I went to Archimoto's investor section where there's a company overview PDF. It's a good general start. We got 26 pages of general information that we can feed the engine. So we'll drag and drop this in here right now. You know what, the warranty would be probably helpful too. Okay, we'll have that. Then we have a couple of domain names here. So we have the /FUV, we have /mission, we have owner's resource. We just went over this. Is this another one with the mission? That's not, okay, but this one is actually helpful because this is their actual FAQ. So I hope the software can actually open those questions as well and interpret that. So let's throw that in here. And that is it. This is the resource that we have now. It counts 28 pages of text. So I guess we could have added a little bit more. But for the sake of this example, let's just complete this and see what it does. Now, this process takes a little bit of time, half an hour to an hour, maybe depending on what it is. And let's get back to this once it's ready. Okay, so I gave it a couple of minutes and now it's done cooking, and we can go right back to the website, and what it shows is a little archive right here for Archimoto. We see here that it says it's active and ready for questions. So we'll click on it. Now this is not what the final chat window will look like, because you can go here actually on home, and then you can make this story public. Okay, so here we have the chat window, and this is what it would look like if you could, you could actually take this code and embed it into a section of your website, so it doesn't have to be full screen. And let's ask it some questions, shall we? So how about, what type of vehicles do you offer? I'm too lazy to actually type. I'm just talking to my computer now with a microphone. And you see my question has been received, and then it answers with the FUV, with the top speed of 75 miles an hour, 102 miles range, and a couple of others as well. It also informs me that you need a license depending on your state, and that the 2023 model comes equipped with new steering system that will deliver improved handling and maneuverability. Okay, where can I buy your vehicles? It also shows you the sources where it grabbed that information from. Where can I buy that? You can place a pre-order that's fully refundable. And then Arcimoto is currently delivering FUVs to the following states, and the sources again. What else should we ask? What's the price of your FUV? It says it's not specified. That doesn't make sense because I do know that they actually have a price on the website. So I'm telling you, it's still experimental. How much does it cost to buy one of your vehicles? I wonder if we can ask it in a way that it will actually. There you go. This is the price that I saw. So the price is $19,900 US. So it's not perfect again, but it definitely can get you a couple of answers. What else should we ask? What is the warranty on your vehicles? And it says it's covered by a 3-year or 30,000 mile warranty. Parts replaced on the warranty will be covered for the balance of the warranty. And again, the sources. Anyway, you get the point. So we have, let's say, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 questions. One of them it didn't answer right, which was the first time we asked about a price. It said it's not specified yet in the provided sources, which is wrong. So we have 80% success rate on this little sample size. But that's basically it. I think it's worth keeping this on the radar, maybe playing around with your own company on it. Let me know in the comments below how it's worked out for you and maybe if you have a better solution. For now, I think it's a great tool to really fast put something together, quickly put something together that you can throw on your website. But remember, number one, it's not flawless. It obviously depends on how your input data is formatted. And two, like I said before, I think the pricing, I mean, depending on your company size, the pricing is a little tough, I think. Anyway, that's just my opinion. Maybe there's a different reason why No Story has decided to price it that way. If you're listening, No Story, let me know. I think this product definitely could turn into something nice if they make the interface a little bit easier and more customizable where you can... That's me just rambling. I hope you enjoyed this and I see you in the next one.